In today's video, I'll teach you how to get a strict bait on TikTok. First of all, launch open TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to get a strict bait, what you have to do is simply go to the inbox interface. For that, tap on the inbox option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to view all the inbox messages over here. So what you have to do is tap on the message with the person that you want to get a strict bait with. Make sure you've been messaging daily. If you message daily, you'll be able to make the chat strict and you'll also be able to get a strict bait. For that, what you have to do is look at bottom right over the message bar. You'll be able to see the suggested emojis over here. Right next to it, you'll be able to find this option for strict bait. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to invite that particular person to hatch a strict bait together. What you have to do is tap on this option, send invite, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the invite has been sent. Now that particular person has to accept the invite. After you do that, chat for the 3 consecutive days and it will be hatched and you'll officially get the strict bait. In order to maintain the strict bait, you'll have to keep chatting daily. After you do that, you'll be able to maintain and manage your bait. So that is how you get a strict bait on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.